My name is Nick Pelletier with Pelletier Properties at Keller Williams North Central.
And my name is Brieanna Kelley. I'm a senior mortgage banker and branch manager at Total Mortgage.
I think it's important to talk about some of the loan products that we have available. We're seeing a lot of FHA and VA lately in the market. And I think it's important to make sure that buyers understand those products. So let's talk a little bit about FHA. Tell me a little bit about that loan product.
So FHA is a government-backed loan that is available to all borrowers. It's usually 3.5% down, can be used for single family or multifamilies, owner occupied. And it is something that we are seeing more and more borrowers become approved for because it is easier to get financing in some situations.
So obviously VA is for veterans.
Correct.
How is that different from FHA?
So VA is very, very similar to FHA, especially when it comes to the requirements. There's some different items that you need to look at when it comes to a multifamily with a veteran. However, they're very similar on how they're viewed at as far as credit in items like that.
So myself and some of the agents on my team, we're working with a listing agent to really have them strongly consider an FHA or a VA loan, and it can be challenging sometimes because they're known for being very complicated and scary. Can you demystify any of that?
Absolutely. So it really isn't. The bigger thing that people need to understand that a lot of the items that come up on a conventional appraisal are the same things that would come up on an FHA appraisal. So if there are safety issues in that property, whether it be a railing or some broken stairs or things like that, those items need to be addressed on a conventional loan as well. So the other thing that you'd have to take a look at when it comes to that, the only real big difference is chipping paint is something that's much more prevalent in a house that was built after 1978.
I think at the end of the day, I would say working with a local lender who knows these products is probably one of the most important things.
Well, I think it's also understanding having a strong buyer's agent that goes into a property or a listing agent that goes into a property and understands the products and what they're looking for while they're making offers on properties for the actual borrower.
Yeah.
And that's important because if you don't understand the product, then it becomes a lot more scary than it really needs to be.
Sure. So FHA and VA are both options when it comes to financing your home. There are many other options you can choose from, and either my team here at Pelletier Properties
Or my team at Total Mortgage
can help figure out the solution that works best for you to buy your new home.